China, the world's largest developing country, and Africa, a continent home to a large number of developing countries, are joining hands to advance their respective modernization with distinctive features. The Lagos-Lebanon Railway, a major project of China's Belt and Road Initiative, started commercial operation in 2021. The railway, constructed by a Chinese company, links several southwestern cities, helping its public transportation and fuel goods movement in the country.
I have the experience before going through train from Ibadan to Lagos, so which I really enjoyed it.
I've been using the train station for a while, but I wanted my children to have the experience. So it's a family vacation. The journey is smooth, hassle-free and fast.
The Eastern Industrial Zone, about 40 kilometers southeast of the Ethiopian capital of Addis Ababa, was built and operated by Chinese companies. Now, 149 enterprises of different sectors are operating in the zone.
Through the origin of the idea, the construction, the operation stage, in each phase and stages, the role of the Chinese investors and also the Chinese government is very significant. This trust will be growing in the futures.
Inside the China 8 Agriculture Technology Demonstration Center in the Republic of the Congo, machines are automatically cleaning, peeling, slicing, and grinding cassava, an important staple food in Africa. In the Central African country, cassava crops have long been peeled by hand and then soaked in water before being dried and ground, a process that might take several days.
Et nous savons que s'il y a un élément qu'on ne peut pas enlever à la Chine, c'est sa volonté de partager avec les autres. Pour parler des événements beaucoup plus récents, on peut parler du centre de démonstration technique agricole, parce que c'est le canal par lequel le transfert de connaissances peut se faire. Fiable et crédible parce que, comme je vous l'ai dit, oui.
According to China's Minister of Agriculture and Rural Affairs, over the past decade, China has set up 24 agricultural technology demonstration centers in Africa, which have increased local crop yields by an average of 30 to 60%, benefiting more than 1 million farmers in African countries.
Cooperation with China is not a one-sided cooperation. I feel it's a very mutually beneficial cooperation for us. They are also helping the country to ensure these technologies make sense to farmers' fields and to farmers' economic well-being.
A Chinese-built commercial and logistics center in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania's commercial hub, is slated to begin trial operations in July 2024. It has created thousands of jobs for local people and is expected to boost the East African country's economic growth.
We believe that this is going to be the biggest project that has never happened in Tanzania. But at the same time, we do believe after finalizing all this, a lot of Tanzanian people will be able to get jobs from here.
In Rwanda, a Luban workshop jointly established by colleges in China and Rwanda offers students training in skills such as telecommunications, smart manufacturing, and e-commerce.
This is going to help our students to be competitive, not only inside the Rwanda, but also on international market once they finish their studies, because they will be familiar with the modern equipment. Other students had no chance to use, so that's why we are very, very thankful to this cooperation between Rwanda and China.
We see that China intends to train about 500 principals and high caliber teachers of vocational colleges every year, and 10,000 technical personnel with both Chinese language and vocational skills for Africa. So that aspect basically is a commendable step in terms of enhancing the skills and reducing the level of literacy on the continent.